Yo, what's going on, guys? Master here, and in today's video I want to talk about the Casio PX-S7000. Now, this digital piano is, I would say, probably by far the nicest looking, definitely that I've ever owned, and maybe that I've ever seen. When I first seen this color, this harmonious mustard color, I knew immediately that I needed to have it. It comes with the stand that you see here, which is also extremely sleek. It is battery operated or powered. I forget how many batteries, maybe 8, probably 8. I can't imagine something taking 10 batteries. That's kind of obscene. But yes, it has this really sturdy and nice looking stand and this like sort of floating sort of pedal here as well. I probably can do a better job at like getting this cable up so it's not just like hanging down there. But I want to talk a little bit about the piece of equipment here, right? So like I said, I got my hands on it and I'm going to be sending this back probably relatively soon because I've used it longer than I have needed to. Not returning, I should say. I have a really incredible partnership with Zounds, this company that sells audio equipment. If you are a frequent viewer of my channel, then there's a good chance that you've heard of them. And I'm just incredibly appreciative of their generosity to be able to allow people like myself and a few of my creator friends who I've met over the years, have this opportunity. So what do we have here? We have a 88 key weighted key bed, and we have something that's super slick and very, very sleek looking. It has these sort of interesting things here where you just have like these sort of soft buttons that are like touch sensitive or capacitive, I think the word is. So I hit taxi, I hit EP and taxi EP comes up. The EP on here is absolutely incredible. The regular piano out of the box sounds good, but it doesn't sound great. And I think that's because I'm comparing it to other digital pianos that I've used, including the Nord Piano 5 and the Yamaha, I sold that a while ago. What's the name of that? P515. That sound absolutely incredible. When I first saw this, I thought to myself that this digital piano might have everything that I could want to make me happy in a digital piano. And two of the things that I was most curious about that I couldn't really get a feel for from just watching the reviews and stuff were, one, how was the key bed? And two, maybe not a big issue for a lot of people, but for me it is. I love the idea of being able to connect on the back of the digital piano. So basically, that USB port, which I guess we can look at everything here. There's like a Bluetooth adapter that comes with it right there, which I haven't actually tested. I should probably test that. I think I will test that soon. USB, you have a mic volume, you have a mic in, 1/4 inch line in, express pedal, power, and sustain pedal. Okay. Now, this right here, that USB, there's only one other device that I've tested, and that is the Yamaha P515, where if I connect a printer cable, USB type B to that and lightning on the other end, or USB-C on the other end, and connect to my phone or tablet, it will transmit audio because it's what's the word? I guess USB compliant, class compliant. The Yamaha is the only device that did that. That is awesome for me as someone who wants to be able to sometimes get like high quality. I have this, where is it, right here? This like stand that's sitting here, and sometimes I might want to just connect it and get digital professional quality audio sent directly to the camera and not rely on the camera's microphone to create some videos and reels and shorts and all that stuff. This does not support that, to the best of my knowledge. I reached out to Casio, haven't gotten confirmation one way or another, but plugging it in, it's supposed to work right away if it will. This did not work. So that made me a little sad. And let's talk about the key bed. The key bed is really good on here. The key bed is really, really good on here. It's I think a very good key bed. The speakers are nowhere near as good as like my monitor speakers downstairs connected to my Nord piano that I use. And so I'm so used to how that sounds and how immersive it is that this doesn't quite, of course it doesn't, right? Because this is like a lighter piano, and it's it's like the middle ground between light and heavy, or light and sturdy, which I think they really found a really great balance there. You have these two headphone jacks on the side here, and you have a lot of sounds, over here. I'm not going to go through all the sounds. There's more than enough videos online that you can definitely check out to get all the sounds. You have this blue ring here that lets you sort of sift through the different sounds, and it has like these, sound piano presets that are based on popular songs like Rhapsody and Lady and Hard To, and okay, these are just like names of songs, I think, right? Yeah, Clock. Okay, so Clocks. Keep messing up, but it's so much easier to play with both hands. I'm so used to it. Muscle memory be like that. What else? I think if you hold the function button. No, there's a button. Maybe the exit button. If you hold one of these buttons, it I think locks the piano. There you go. And so now not everything is locked, which is kind of cool. And then you have the press and hold function again to unlock it, I guess. Yeah, cool. Right. Yeah. So, yeah, that's the piano. I think it's fantastic. I wanted to just record something for you guys because, like I said, I get these keyboards in and I use them, and then like when it's time to send back, and the only thing that sucks is having to pack this damn thing up. Like, I'm not looking forward to that at all, but I am going to do it because what's coming in next is something that I've been looking forward to for quite a while. And stay tuned, subscribe on the channel if you're interested in checking out what that might be, and hope you enjoyed the video. And it's time for me to go downstairs and get my piano lesson on because I got someone that's waiting in the Zoom room. Actually, no, she's not waiting right now, but she will be in a couple minutes. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Casio, this gets a 8.5 out of 10. Good job. Peace.